Let's see here. 4:30, a little bit early. Supposed to be here 4:20, but she's usually.
Hintayin natin yung mga kambal, guys. Yay! Ito pansundo, itong tricycle namin. Go on the other side. I want to be on the sunshine. Ihi siya. Ihi siya. Marunong na umihi si Jilana. You have to hide on the rock. On the rock there. No, on the rock. Yeah, go on the rock. Yeah, ihi siya doon. Ayun, nag-ihi.
Oh, I see Sue Ellen and Kenny at Freddy's.
Oh, yeah.
So you know what? Aaron Erickson's working down by Post Road. Found a dead body. There was a homeless guy, you know, by Ship Creek, Post Road, all of that.
Yeah.
So he told the property owner, he was smart, instead of calling the police himself. But it was decomposed. I think it was sat there all winter, just got found or something. Homeless person.
How did he end up there?
He just done a job.
Oh, he found it?
Yeah, not a person.
If I die body?
You're right.
If I die body? Why?
Hintayin natin yung school bus. Love you.
That's the old guy we always pass. He's being 30.
Okay, you. Jilana, you waiting for your sister?
The color you have to wear on Thursday is red.
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 What color if your four-wheeler, Jilana? What color is that? Red. Okay. Tayo ka dito, anak, para video it and then wait for your sister, okay? There you go. And then, are you waiting? And then when we see the school bus, you wait for your sister.
What here?
Yeah. And then you have to wave. Yep.
Are you done?
No, it's not. What are you playing? What color is your four-wheeler?
Wait. It's you wait.
Yeah, and then what color is your shirt? Purple. Yeah, purple.
Oh, wait.
Okay, tayo ka dito nga ron eh. Tayo ka diyan eh. Daddy, you could order a plate here. Can you buy? Ah. Okay, tayo ka dyan. Tayo ka. Yeah. Put it there, Tres Marias. Yeah. Jilana, smile. Yeah. You got...
So here's the dog.
Yeah.
Your sister's barking at it in the morning.
Are you pretending to be a dog? No. Jilana. What's the name of your dog? Jilana?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm ready.
May Momo oh. Momo is real.
In Philippines?
In Philippines, there's Momo.
Not?
In the Philippines, may Momo ba sa Philippines? Except that I just like falling like this, the thing in the middle. Otherwise, it should be fine. Okay.